Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials, both apps installed, permissions granted, and the target app identified. First, open the controller app and pick Add or Plus to register the target. Then choose Launch or Create Shortcut so the controller stores the target's package and entry point. Once done, assign a simple trigger like a home screen button or widget. This lets you call the target app immediately. Make sure the controller's background service is enabled so the shortcut will work reliably. Next, you configure how and when the controller will fire the target app. Select a trigger, gesture, widget tap, schedule, or automation rule, and link it to the previously created shortcut. Then add conditions to avoid failures. Require Wi-Fi battery above 15% or only at a given location. Once configured, define fallback behavior such as retry with delay or show a notification if the target app is busy. This prevents silent failures and keeps the flow predictable for you. Finish by running a full test of the trigger. Activate it, watch the controller call the target, and confirm the target app opens in the expected state. If it fails, capture timestamps and condition states to pinpoint the issue. Make sure to re-grant any revoked permissions, restart the controller's background service, and update both apps. These steps resolve most problems. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the controller's accessibility permission off and on again. This often restores reliable firing when nothing else helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.